Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. What are we discussing about? We are discussing about verbs. What are verbs? The action which denotes in a sentence is called a verb. Yesterday we have discussed some sentences and we have done some workbook exercise also, right? And today we can learn about the topic subject verb concord. What is subject verb concord? Subject verb concord or subject verb agreement. Actually, when we speak or write anything of a sentence, we have to make sure that verb matches the subject. Once again I repeat, when we speak or when we write something, first of all we have to make sure about verb matches the subject. As we all know that sentence has two parts. What are that? Subject and predicate. So what is the subject? What is the predicate? The topic which we talk about is called subject, and what we talk about the subject is called predicate. Okay, let me say an example. Ramu is young. So Ramu is subject and we are saying about him. He's young, he's good, he's bad, he's tall, he's short, whatever the adjectives, or Ramu is eating, Ramu is working, if you go ahead with verbs. Okay, so something about the subject Ramu is called predicate. Until then it is clear, right? Now see, a subject can be, what it can be? It may be singular, it may be plural, or it may be uncountable. Isn't it? So a subject can be singular, like a book, an eraser. A subject can be plural, men, leaves. And when we come to uncountable, it may be sugar, furniture, water, milk, etc. Okay. In the subject verb agreement, we have certain rules and several rules. But as far as syllabus is concerned, we are limited to some rules. In that, first and foremost, this rule. What it is? When the subject is singular, verb should also be singular. Means the verb should take singular when the subject is singular. See the example. I enjoy music. What is I here? Subject. In which position it is? Singular. Okay, first person singular. So, enjoy. Verb also takes singular. I enjoy music. Correct. Enjoy is wrong. Okay. And now, second point. If the subject is plural, then verb also should be plural. They write every day. What is it? They write. So here, one thing, immediately we get it out. Write, writes. Write is singular, writes is plural. Don't bring that logic here. Here, always they means first person or second person or third person. That we have to consider. Basing on that, write is plural form. They write here, he writes. See, second person, he writes every day. It's correct. But they writes every day is wrong. They write every day. That is correct. If the subject is plural, automatically verb is plural. First point, if the subject is singular, verb is also singular. Right? Now, next 2 points. Now, let's move on to the third point. Here, when a collective noun is used in a singular, then the verb also takes singular. When a collective noun is used in plural, the verb also takes in plural. Third point is this, fourth point is this. Now, let us see the third point. If the collective noun is used in a singular, then the verb also takes the singular. Here, see the example, the workbook example. A shoal of fish is swimming. A shoal of fish is collective noun. Is swimming. We are not saying that shoal of fish is taken into a single unit. That's why is swimming. This total content has taken into one single unit. And now, if the collective noun is plural, the verb also form its plural form. How? The teams were housed in hotels. The teams were the teams. So team is a collective noun. The teams were, so that's why it takes the plural, were housed. Understood? And we have certain words here in the form of subjects, in the form of disease, in the form of games. We have some words here though they resemble like plural forms by taking yes, but they resemble as a whole as a singular unit. See, as for subject is concerned here, dramatics, economics, statistics. As for diseases, mumps, measles, rickets. And as per games or sports, you can take cards, aerobics. These are all adding yes and all, but it takes a single unit. Today we have learned what is subject and concord or agreement, and then its 4 rules. Okay, now I'll be giving some exercises from workbook. Please carry on. That's all for today. Tomorrow you can meet with another topic.